everybody, my name is Moreno-Zelinka and I am the attorney here within Justice Law Firm. Today I wanted to make a video to give some information to people with regards to fee waivers. First of all, I want to let everybody know that this is not legal advice and you should always contact an attorney whenever you have a legal issue with the courts. So first of all, I wanted to talk to you about something that I think that is very important and that a lot of people don't know that these are available in the family courts in Connecticut, and that is what is called an application for a fee waiver. The form, actual exact name is JD FM 75, which this will be a fee waiver only for the family court. However, I want everybody to know that all courts in Connecticut, including the criminal court and the probate courts, also have their own form of a fee waiver. However, this video is going to be just talking with regards to the fee waiver in the family courts here in Connecticut. So I want to talk a little bit about this form because a lot of people don't know that this form is actually available. Fee waivers are available for people who, let's say, want to file a custody application, want to start the case for divorce in the family court, but then realize that maybe at this time in their life they don't have the income to pay for these kind of applications, or they have lost employment, or they have very low income that makes them unable to pay for the fees of the courts. As you know, a lot of the court, every single issues that you're gonna file with the court, any kind of cases will have a fee, especially not only for filing the application and starting your case, but also what is called for a service of process, meaning that when you file a case, some of these cases require that you serve that document to the other party to let them know that you have started your case in the courts. So anyway, that is just all information. Remember, that is no legal advice, and you always want to, either contact an attorney or go to the court service centers in the family courts to get more information about the process that you need to follow with your issues in the courts. Anyway, so once again, the JD FM 75 is the fee waiver for the family court. You can find this application in the Connecticut Judiciary website. It is free to download, and you could actually fill it in and save it and print it out with all the information, or you could go to any of the family court service centers where you could find a lot of the applications and forms for free. Anyway, so this application, I just want to give an example of how you can use this. So for example, if I were to file for my divorce, I will have to prepare certain kind of forms. For example, the summons and the complaints and appearance, and depending whether I have children or not, there will be other forms that are required. How do you, and what do you need to do to see whether you qualify for a fee waiver? What you do is you prepare all your, like for example, like if you're filing that divorce, you're gonna prepare all your forms for that divorce, but before you take it to the clerk, you're also going to fill out a fee waiver application, and you're gonna put it in that package. Once you file this application, you can go to the clerk's office in person, and you will have to file it. This form is done under oath, and it has to be notarized, so you don't want to sign it until you go to the court and you're in front of that clerk. Also, other things to know: what kind of fees can if your fee waiver is approved, what kind of fees can actually the court approve for you, and some of the fees that can be approved. Like for example, if you're going to apply for your divorce, you can apply for a fee waiver for the entry fee, for the filing fee for the divorce, for the cost of service, which means the fee that you will have to pay to have a marshal serve your divorce documents to the other party. So those are some of the fee of the court costs that can be covered if your fee waiver is granted. Another thing to note about a fee waiver is that sometimes the court may not approve your full waiver, but they may actually approve partial. So let's say they may not approve your entry fee, your filing fee, but they may approve the cost of service for you for participating in a parenting education program. So it does have some benefits to apply for the fee waiver, but remember, only for you to file a fee waiver, you may have to bring to the court. Some of the courts do actually require that you show them proof of income. So if you have maybe your taxes or your last pay stubs for your employment, or if you're receiving unemployment compensation, it is a good idea for you to bring that to the court so that you could submit that to the clerk with your application for fee waiver. So once you submit this paperwork, the clerk and the court will let you know that this paperwork will be submitted to a judge for the judge to review your income, whether you have any dependents, and whether you qualify for the fee waiver. If the fee waiver gets approved, you will get a call from the court letting you know that you could either pick it up or they will mail it to you. But anyway, the fee waiver is a great opportunity for anybody who is not able to afford paying for fees. But please remember that this is dependent on your income, how many dependents you have, and any other kind of sources of income that you may be receiving. So yes, please keep in mind that fee waivers are available in the court, and don't be discouraged if you think that, oh my God, the applications for divorce are so expensive, I really cannot afford this. Please know that there are fee waivers, so you don't have to wait. You could go to the court, and the same day that you're gonna file your papers for the divorce, you could apply for a fee waiver. One other thing that I wanted to let you know, that even if your fee waiver gets denied on the first time, you do have an opportunity to ask for a hearing and go in front of the judge so that you could present evidence or your case to let the court know why it is that your fee waiver should be granted. Anyway, so this is Attorney Vivian Moreno-Zelinka here in Big Waving Justice Law Firm. Once again, I was talking about fee waivers. Please keep in mind that this is just legal information, and you should always talk to an attorney before you file any of your cases. Or you could always go to the family court service centers where you could be provided with more information. So once again, if you need help, if you need legal services, I am located in Higganum, Connecticut. However, I will meet you in the court in Hartford if you are available or if you need more services. So anyway, give me a call back at 860-514-0110. Thank you.